Hi there, just a real quick video to show you how you can randomize your slides or shuffle your slides. So if you go to add-ons and you go to, I already have it, but I'll show you, go to manage add-ons, and then in the search, you're going to click on search apps, and then you'll do slides toolbox. That's this one. I already have it. And you might have to walk through adding it to your add-ons. And then you're going to go back to add-ons, and then it's going to be here. And then you're going to do slides toolbox open. I always select all of my slides. So I'll hold down let me do it again. So I go to my top, my first one, and I select it. And then I scroll all the way to the last one, and I hold my shift key down and select that one. And then it's going to select all of my slides. Then I'm going to go to Page Tools, and I'm going to do Slide Order and Shuffle. And it's going to shuffle all of those cards, and I usually do it twice. I don't know why, but I do. And there we go. And now they're not all in the same order, as in like they're not all adding the plus 10. Now it's plus 30. Whenever I created it, they were all in order. So I want those to be shuffled. So if you purchase things on TPT and you're seeing that they're kind of all in the same order, or you just want to shuffle it every few days because your kids are getting this more than one time, that's a lovely add-on. Hope that helped.